I can grow 150 of these okra in 20 inches. Who does that? Torpedopot
For you. All you have to do is put your seeds in or put your seedlings in, walk away for the rest of the year, and it grows your food for you. You plug up a little hose in the back, you turn a knob in the front.
This okra is awesome. I'm gonna have another piece of it. Yes. And just straight out of the garden, literally picked about, I don't know, 15 minutes ago. And
Oh my
exquisite.
gosh. Oh
Yeah.
my gosh.
I had no idea you could eat raw okra.
Didn't know you could do it raw.
My Torpedopot grows my food for me. I never have to worry about food again in my life because it takes care of all of that. All of my nutrition and my fears of not having food are eliminated. They are completely
You realize
eliminated.
a lot of people use fertilizers in their to feed their plants, and what we try to tell individuals is that fertilizers they're like a drug. What you do is that you put the fertilizer in and it goes to the plant's root system and the plant absorbs it up, but the plant is not going out and reaching and getting its food. The plant is not existing in an environment, a natural environment, where the microbes and the fungus are there to help break down those particulates and make them available to the soil. So you don't have that building soil process. You simply throw your fertilizers in, it goes up into the plant, and it's like a stimulus to make the plants behave in a certain way, not with Torpedopot.
It's the world's first self-growing organic gardening system that produces more food than hydroponics, aquaponics, and traditional gardening combined. I can grow 150 of these okra in 20 inches. Who does that? Torpedopot.
Torpedopot is. Remember,
In these plants,
you put your seeds in, you put your seedlings in, and you walk away for the rest of the year and you don't have to do anything at all. This pot has been designed to grow fungus.
In these planters right here, we have your favorite okra. Yes. Okra. I love me some okra so much. Oh gosh, I love okra. And we got a lot of them. And we took a pack of seeds and we dropped them in here.
guys, these are Torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. You see this planter right here? Well, they grow okra. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter, and it grows your food for you like you've never seen before. Self-growing organic gardening system that produces more food than hydroponics, aquaponics, and traditional gardening combined. I can grow 150 of these okra in 20 inches. Who does that? Torpedopot.
Torpedopot is. Remember,
In these plants,
you put your seeds in, you put your seedlings in, and you walk away for the rest of the year and you don't have to do anything at all.
Most of you in your garden, you can't grow enough food. You go out, you spend over $400 a year in your garden, in your plants, in your soil, and tillers and plastics and all types of underground watering system and all that stuff, and you don't grow the food that I grow. It grows 150 okra in 20 inches. Torpedopot is the only one that can do that. Switch over to an automated gardening system that has been designed to protect your plants and grow them for you. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your plants or your seeds in these planters and they literally grow your okra and your food for you. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 planters, we're gonna grow where we are growing over 400 okra. So if we were to follow and find out how many okra came off this plant, all we really have to do is just look at the little nubs right here and you can get a good idea what's been coming off this plant. So 1 right here, 2, 3, as you see that, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've already picked 10 okra, and then you've got 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We have a total of about 17 okra that's going to come out of here. So we have 10 plants inside this plant. More than 150 okra in just 20 inches. This is a self-growing gardening system. You never water, you never feed. You simply supplement the soil and the environment. And it grows your food like you've never seen before. And the food is absolutely beautiful. You'll never have a problem with food again in your life. But my seeds are here. Which means that the seeds that you see here are enough for me to grow another 150 okra. Yes. That's why I never have a problem with seeds again in my life. Stop buying seeds every year. All I have to do is collect it, dude. And I have more seeds. In other words, this is completely sustainable. I'll never ever have to buy seeds again in my life.